accomplished. So I always push myself with that. Before niende hapo chini, I have achieved so much that I have.
How do you balance, maybe let's say parenthood? Mtoto mnapatana aje all the time? At first, anastay na mamake, anastay na wewe, ama anastay wapi?
Yeah, she stays with her mom.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm yours Theo, and here today niko na jamaa hapa, is called DJ Ahappy. Tunataka kusikia story zake, vile imekuwa, vile alianza hii safari. Alianza utotoni ama alitaka kuwa pilot alafu akaenda DJ.
Bado umejua.
Ulitaka kuwa pilot?
Anyway, I used to, unajua mmoja nikwambia, it was very funny. Nikiwa mtoi, but I can't even remember what I wanted to be. But my uncle used to do, alikuwa anafanyaga mambo ya ndege, so I used to envy that and really wanted to be something close to that. But I think enzi zetu tukiwa watoi, we used to love to be what it is making money.
Yeah.
Na ile iko na sifa nyingi.
Yes.
So ukisikia engineer, unaruka tu hapo engineer. Ukisikia in fact mimi nikiwa mtoi, there was one country I usually love to go to. Yugoslavia. If you remember those time kulikuwa na vita sana and Yugoslavia ilikuwa inatajagwa.
Yeah.
So that is the country I love to go. Yes.
Okay, so thank you. So manze, utuambie tu DJ Ahappy ni nani?
So DJ Ahappy is a dad. He's a father. He's a young man from an area called Mangu, born and raised. Then akaingia Nakuru town. Mangu ya Nakuru. Then akaingia Nakuru. And he's a guy who loves football a lot. Who loves taking care of other people. He's also a dancer, also a DJ. And one thing people don't know about DJ Ahappy is, in fact, I started my career as a dancer. If so many people can remember a group called the Giza Dancers. Yes, in Nakuru. I'm the founder of that group.
Wow.
And we were the people who took the face of Nakuru ya dance in Kenya. In fact, when tuliendaga Sakata, season 1, I remember there was one group ilituulizaga, yani mmetoka all the way, hamungepata competition huko, ndio mwende mkakompete kwa. People used to know that from Nairobi to Nakuru, it's far. Kuliko kutoka Nairobi mpaka Mombasa. So DJ Ahappy is a DJ, a dancer, a mentor, a radio presenter, a lover of life, a traveler, and very passionate about environment. Mimi na environment, it is love and love. Yes.
So umetaja kwamba you are a dad. Are you a husband?
Not yet.
Oh, you are a dad but not a husband. Okay, fine. So tumetaja tu tukianza hiyo intro kwamba you wanted to be somebody else. So hii story na DJ ilikuja sawa?
So it was very funny because for me, I'm a DJ. You know, there are different types of DJs. So for me, I'm a corporate DJ. I do team buildings, end of year parties, and all that. I don't do DJing in club. So one this time tulikuwa tumeenda team building, my brother ndiye alianza kuwa kama DJ. So mimi nikaenda kufanya brother yangu setup kwa sababu alikuwa na job nyingine. So alikuwa maliza hiyo job afu akuje hii. So nimeenda hapo na mashini na ngojea bro yangu akuje. So the client comes and tells me, mbona usetup because watu wanakuja. We need to listen to music. Nika call bro yangu nikamwambia aje. Client amesema setup ifanywe na mimi sijui shughuli. I was taught how to DJ through the phone. Wow. Nili setup. Siku ile ma DJ tulikuwa nabebaga muziki na folder. Alafu umeandika ngoma zako. So ukianza pia mtu hiyo folder aende achanganye CD, you are lost, you are done. So alikuwa amenipatia 2 bag moja. So akaniambia how to connect. Nikacheza muziki, and the funny thing, alikuja after event inaisha. Wow. And the client said, wow, that was well done. That was a good job. And that is how I started and asked myself, if kama naweza fanya hivi kama sija trainiwa, why can't I do it? And that's how I started DJing.
So why corporate, mbona hujaenda club?
For me, in everything I do in life is all about growth and networking. And for me, I saw in clubs, I won't get that networking. Plus, I don't drink, I don't go out. So I felt it's not my place of being. So I felt the best place for me to be able to grow and get a lot of networks, it is in corporate world.
Okay.
Yes.
When did you start this DJ stuff? Ama ulifunzwa lini kwa simu and then you started, let me start it.
I am self-taught DJing. Nilijifunza mimi mwenyewe and it happened 10 years ago. 10 years ago is when now I started sitting down, nika concentrate na virtual DJ, started getting the melody rhythm and the harmony, then nikaingia sasa kwa mashini, and that's how the love grew. Now nikatoka from, so ningeenda team building, nilikuwa nafanyaga dancing na bado nafanya DJing. So you become a package. So hata my tagline inakuwa the real deal, because I'll give you, I'll MC, I'll dance, I'll DJ, and I'll hype.
Okay.
Yes.
Now saizi there's several items you have mentioned, presenter, nini naitwaje, presenter. So all those, which one carries the day? DJ ama?
I think all of them culminate, and I don't know which one I can choose and leave the other, because I try so much to fuse them all in one, because music is my life. Talking to people and mentoring people is what I love to do. Then environment, mimi ni ule msee nikitembea hivi kwa barabara nione karatasi nitaokota. Mimi ni ule msee nikinunua switi nikule. In fact, if you go to most of my trousers, zinakuwa na makaratasi nyingi sana, because I hate littering. So I'll pick and do that. Like right now, I am mentoring girls from Free Area, a place called Morogi. And I'm mentoring them through football. So I'm trying to caution them not to get into early teenage pregnancies, crime, drugs, and all that. So I'm doing that through football. It is a passion that drives me. For me, everything that changes someone's lives, it is my passion. So kwa hizo zote, I don't know how to separate them, because they intermarry each other, and they give me a lot of happiness. Yes.
Now, how do you balance all these things plus being a dad? I know maybe parents also are looking at you, maybe you spend time with them. How do you balance all these things together?
I can't lie to you. It is not easy. It is not easy. You need to do a lot of sacrifices, and I'm telling you, sometimes it gets into you, and sometimes it will drain you, but you keep on going. My motivation every day is to see a changed community, to see a positive community, and to see people who grow to a beautiful community where people live in harmony. And most people think that being poor is not having money. Being poor is not having people around you.
Being poor
is not having people around you. That is the worst poverty you'll have. Nakwambia sahi, Theo, ukaweza patiwa all the money in this world, and you don't have people around you, you are the most poorest person in this life.
Wow. That's so touchy. Yeah. Okay. How do you balance, maybe let's say parenthood? Mtoto mnapatana aje all the time? At first, anastay na mamake, anastay na wewe, ama anastay wapi?
Yeah, she stays with her mom. So we co-parent. We co-parent. It's not easy, but we try. We try.
Hakuna mwenye analemea mwingine.
We try. Unajua kwa hii life, it's all about learning how to live with other people. And the moment you understand how to live with people, itakuwa rahisi sana. Because kitu moja mimi husema is, in this life, if you want to have a very beautiful life, do to people what you'd like them to do to you. You will never regret. You'll never feel like you are let down, because the energy you are giving is the energy you are receiving. So many people are asking for what they are not giving. And that's why so many people wanna get disappointed and discouraged, because una feel ni kama huyu mtu afanyi, lakini hujajiweka kwa hiyo kiatu ya huo mtu. Nikifanya hiyo kitu, nisipofanywa nitasikiaje? So we try, we push, and at the end of the day, ni God.
Okay. What makes you kila siku uamke asubuhi uchangamke asubuhi uende ufanye kitu?
First of all, my daughter. And also kama kuna kitu hiyo nifanyani niamke asubuhi, I really love to see myself busy. I really love to appreciate that gift of life. Kwa sababu mimi piga hesabu, niko healthy, niko alive, but bado nimelala. Kuna msee ako pale hospitali, he cannot even wake up. Every time I pass a gravesite, mimi husema those are dreams of people that were not accomplished. So I always push myself with that. Before niende hapo chini, I have achieved so much that I have changed so many people's lives and sija let many people down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa. Now maybe you have talked of the daughter. What happened with the mother?
That is a story for another day.
Okay, sawa.
Hiyo tutafanya live. Ndio watu wasirekode.